Ready? Yep, let's go.
6 minutes, Slim Shady. You're in.
Man, that would have been way easier if I just did that.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
I didn't have full faith in my rig to do that. It definitely is an awkward one.
It is, but it does work. Twice. Not bad. I'm worried about this.
Yeah, it's definitely tricky.
It's a spicy one.
She's a spicy meatball.
I just know that I always make my car flip by blipping throttle right here, so I'm really trying not to do that today.
Yeah, don't do that.
Well, we're not there yet, dude.
Or?
In Nationals, I would have.
Give her the beans.
That's exactly what my shit did. Nice. Progress.
Beautiful.
Thank you. I like your line into the bonus today.
Bonus.
This thing's just so smooth, dude.
Yeah.
And try not to do some kick flips.
Do a barrel roll.
Do a wheelie.
This is weird with your car. I don't know why it's getting all funky.
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Progress. That's why I'm like tempted to switch chassis.
I wonder if you got a bind somewhere in your, well, if it's in the drivetrain. Connor, I was seeing this line of keeping the tire up.
Yeah.
Oh, but then it does that. But then you can do that.
Hopefully. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Yeehaw.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
That's right.
Gate, no progress.
Yeah.
That's why I went up the left side.
Ooh.
Reverse. That's a tricky bonus.
That's a tricky one.
Definitely worthy of bonus.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's any trick here or not.
Perfect.
Yeah. That way? Correct?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Top-tail doodad.
I like that. I think we could have made it even a little tighter.
We're talking about bush.
Progress. Progress.
And that was all 3 bonuses, even though I murdered one. I think we're the exact same score, Connor. Tyson, learn from us.
Yep, minus 39.
Cool. Alright, turn it off. Shame.
And we're on.
Get out of the way.
Yeah, let's go.
Where were you on that one, dipshit?
If you guys can, please keep your shadows out of my shots.
Thomas doesn't even have a shadow, dude.
Gilmore.
Lafferty Daniel?
Oh dear. It's so weird, it looks like coral.
And the rock out here is awesome, dude.
Progress. Progress.
Does the screen turn off on this, Logan?
Yeah, after 1 minute it goes black. But she's still working.
I'm sitting here like,
Bonusy.
Beautiful.
Four.
Right here. To the right.
It's like this 33 like broken. It's getting quieter.
Seems like you were squatting to pee there for a minute, bud.
Progress. Identical to you.
I almost feel like I have too much overdrive.
Little car.
Maybe I'm just not looking.
Progress.
Did you guys see that gate they set up in Washington the other day? Into the bowl?
No.
There's a bowl and you had to drive into the bowl, and then when you throttled up the wall, it spit you out through the gate. It was so
That's cool. Oh, sorry, Thomas.
Thomas is so into this, he's keeping up on national stops. He knows courses in Washington right now.
Yes.
I ain't never gonna drive it. I know I'm a
That's some dedication to travel states constantly for this shit.
7, where's the 8?
Yeah. 8. Where's he at on time?
2:55.
Hell yeah, you got all the time, Logan. You think we're crazy like me in the beginning of time.
Saving it for later.
Down. Watch the drop off to the equipment. Take it straight down. Straight. Nice.
Bonus.
What's the secret here, guys?
Bump it.
It was my truck went
Little
right
Moab
up.
bump. Come down and spin.
Yeah, come down and turn around. Reverse.
Look out, dogs.
Asher, come here. Asher, come.
Fucking dog. Go! Go!
What is happening?
I came from the bottom, straight up till morning, but
Oh, he's
mine
got an
worked.
idea.
Go get
Front dig action.
front dig.
It's gonna let go.
That's right.
Oh,
Now you go
great.
straight up.
Yeah.
Well, that's way easier.
Why don't you just do
Yep.
that?
Like Connor's gate one.
Back up on the.
You did exactly what I did on the first game. Made it tougher. Minute 25, Logan.
I'm just gonna go the hard way. With all the dogs.
All of a sudden, 101 Dalmatians rolls through.
We trained them to do that, actually. Progress.
Full coordination.
Anytime Logan's on the course, swarm him with dogs.
Fine by me.
Can I pause time to pet that dog?
Nice.
One reverse.
Yep. Minus 49.
Dang it, why? Ready, Connor? Okay, let's go. Don't drive straight into it. On the low side cone looking.
Good. You got plenty of room down there. Bonus.
40 days as far as comp goes. It sucks. That bonus was easy.
Gate. Shit.
Marker.
That bonus super easy.
Is that reverse? I don't think that was past 90.
Yeah, that was reverse.
Okay.
Look out, just
2 hands on the remote. It's getting serious.
Reverse.
I'm gonna break my car. Repo.
Let's see, so is that a touch wire?
Yeah.
Yeah,
should pause
just a
my time
touch.
for 5
Uh,
seconds.
Yeah, it should pause the time.
Ready?
And remember to start the timer
Yep.
again. Yeah.
Well, that sucks. Yeah.
At least you're not the only one.
Dad tried reversing down it.
No.
Stop dragging the rears across.
Nice progress.
Watch out. Look out, puddles. What's with these damn dogs?
Every time Logan runs, Puddles is like, oh,
Somebody say my name?
time to go swarm Logan.
Pauls and Sydney had a conversation, so.
Progress.
Straight ahead.
4.
Goes over there. Summing up that bonus like you thought. That easy way worked out really well.
Progress.
From the down.
No, just swinging around and coming right up.
Nice.
Dang it.
Reverse.
I just came right up to that, so it wasn't doing hard at all.
Bonus.
And then next one.
Right here.
Oh.
The GoPro says 3 minutes, so.
Yeah, that's real 3.
Oh, there's a bunch down here. Well, pretty much did that as poorly as possible.
Nice. Progress.
Heading towards your feet, Connor.
Progress.
Reverse.
There's 8.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Sorry, there's a reverse.
Quit changing the course.
This game's so awesome. It's so funny. Bonus or sorry, we're at 143.
Okay, I can drive through that gate.
Yep,
because
you sure can.
Bonus.
9.
Back over here. How's your driving today, Dan?
125.
Pretty good. Nice. Dan driving's always good. Not too bad.
Dan don't get tired. Progress.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeet. Do a wheelie.
A minute left
did
and
it.
you were at -26.
He did a wheelie.
Didn't start great, but